Hello, you are welcome. Let's have a look at this question under the Earth geometry question. Two locations A and B on the same longitude are 3,940 kilometers apart. A is on the latitude 15 degrees north and B is on latitude X degrees south. We have to find the value of X to the nearest degree and find how long it will take an airplane to fly from A to B when the speed is 760 kilometers per hour. So first thing first, we need to make a sketch of the globe or of the sphere representing the Earth. So if we can make this as our sphere, having this as meridian 0, that's longitude 0 degrees. So since we are having the same longitude, we will not know whether it is to the east or to the west. So we can just indicate any of the longitude. Then A is on the latitude 15 degrees. Remember, latitude is a horizontal line. So we are going to have the latitude 15 degrees north. Then B. Okay, let's indicate A. The intersection will be here. Then B is on latitude X degrees south. So it is towards the bottom. So we have this. This is going to be our X degrees south. Don't forget, if this is the center, the line from the A to the center will be radius. This is going to be B. So this is what we are going to have as the circle. So if you take it carefully, you will see that this longitude is a circle, which is going to be a great circle, right? So picking the whole of this circle, that circle we have all the way, you will see the center being here, the line to A will be there, the line to B will be there. So we need the angle at the center there. Don't forget that angle is here. If you draw a line, we know we are going to have a parallel lines here and here, which will give us an alternate angle. So here will be 15, here will be X. So the total of that will be X plus 15, or 15 plus X will be the value of the angle we are looking for. So this has given birth to this, meaning this is the center. So now we can be able to relate with the distance from A to B as the length of the arc forming that circle. You see, this is a great circle. The whole thing is a sphere. But from here all the way, the line we are drawing is a great circle. So that gives us the center and the sector. So we can say that the length of AB is going to be theta over 360 times what? 2 pi what? R. Here we are using the capital R because that is the radius of the Earth itself. This is the center of the Earth. So that becomes the radius of the Earth. Now what do? We do substitution. The length of the arc is given unto us because they are 3,940 kilometers apart, meaning from A to B is 3,940. So this is going to be 3,940 equals to the theta, going to be X plus 15 divided by 360, 2 by 22 on 7 times 6400. We are picking pi to be 22 on 7. You can as well use 3.142 since it's not indicated. Then the radius of the circle of the Earth is approximately 6,400 kilometers. So we substitute that and see what that will give us. So here, 3940 equals to X plus 15 on 360 times, let's compute that together, as in 2 times 22 divided by 7 then multiply by 6,400. We'll be having 40228.571. So that's what we are having. And this will multiply the numerator. This will divide. So we multiply now by the LCM, which will be 360. So I'll be having 360 multiplying 3940, giving rise to x plus 15. This is a single angle you're looking for. So you put them in the bracket before we multiply by 40228.571. So we are going to find the value of this. This 40,000 become the coefficient of your angle. So we divide both sides by that value to get rid of what? The 15, so that we can pick our x. So from here, we can have our 360 times 3940 to be 14 1418400 equals to x plus 15 multiplying 40228 plus 571. So these become the coefficient. So your x plus 15 remain, then 1418400 will be divided by that coefficient 422.8.571. So what do you think that will be when we divide? That will be giving us 35.2585. But we are looking for x, so we subtract 15 from both sides. So x will be equals to 35.2585 minus 15. So x will be giving us as 20.2585. But I guess we have to leave our answer in the nearest degree or whole number. So x will be equals to 20 degrees. That will be to the nearest degree. So now this become the value of the angle x. Simply put, the point B is on 20 degrees latitude south, or south 20 degrees. That will be the value. Now, question C, we are asked to find how long it will take the airplane to move from A to B. From A to B is the distance given to us already here. The speed is also given to us. So we can see that if we are to find B, it will be speed equals to distance divided by what? Time. And since we know the speed, we know the distance, we are looking for time, we can swap the position to have time equals to the distance, because this will multiply this, then we divide by speed. So distance divided by the speed. What do? We only do substitution of these values and see what the time will be. So, okay, so we have our time to be equals to the distance was 394 kilometers. The speed is 760 kilometers per hour. So the kilometers will cancel, then the hour will go and multiply. So we have 3940 divided by 760 will be 5.2 hours. So the airplane time basically is going to be 5.2 hours. We can also convert this into minutes and know how many minutes on top of the hours that will be needed. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.